You have a nice name.
Thank you so much.
And I didn't go far from your name.
No, I didn't. Yes,
Let's. Unya knowing. Inspiration friend because I say most of the time we'll be picking stage name. It didn't be ban it trim. No we use it.
Me now before some call
Use
me Lyds.
Let's.
Because everyone knows Lyds, Lydia, so why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
It's actually a nice name. And it's like creative.
It is.
Yes, because you are the bedroom host. I said, let me use my name. Be a Felicia. I said, Fels. Sapo, Sapos. Sapos. DJ Phil. Let's.
Yes.
How has it been so far?
It's been good. It's been a wonderful journey so far. Jumananya easy, but it's quite inspiring with the right people and the right guidance. It's been nice.
It's been nice.
Really nice, yes.
What should I say? How many years and that's how many months?
It's been 2 years. Well, I've been doing music since I was 7. I started in church, being a child. Being a child, basically, going to church, being introduced into the choir. So that's how I started.
Hey, you started from the choir?
Yes.
Hey! Now about the soprano.
Soprano, me Bobby baby.
Obanina.
Aye.
When you say let me join choir, sorry.
Sir.
Let me join choir. Me call join choir. Me say I'll be having my moment. They'll give me the mic to lead. Me told me first and I'm saying, "Mo go natural." To be in the choir, it takes a lot.
It does.
Just say,
it really does.
Dedication.
Yes.
You started from the choir, and now tuning you.
So.
Then I want to church.
So I don't know. Writing my songs, I get inspired by what people have been through, or what people are going through, life experience. It could be anything, hardship, love. So that's where I basically get my inspiration from. But the church has basically taught me to be confident, like standing in front of people, singing, or even talking. This is where I got it from. And I also learned how to play the keyboard in church too. So
Papa is awful.
Me patcho Debbie.
When I did a man in a tower, I said, "That's all pound coffee."
Debbie o Micho.
Ocho, I don't know they two are sorry them more.
Oh Debbie says ejuma no. Nyame ejuma de wontimi nka se o afi de time aso meko.
Oh wow.
We are now ko.
You don't the point in Fentua could feel did you? Bro. But you did well. You played it. Who play instrumentals, keyboard?
Yes, the keyboard.
On your own?
On my own, yes.
And this amount keyboard is a bit me a ball.
Yes. And Sana, I took classes for keyboard. That was later on cry. Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey! It's officially started music, you know. Did it start from school?
So officially writing songs and deciding to bring something out, that was last 2 years. Yes. So I was just about to complete school, where I was like, I think I want to do this music journey.
Nice school, babe.
I went to nursing school.
Oh.
Yes, so I am an adult and pediatric nurse.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and then I did economics and law as well. So alongside, I said, I want to do this.
Into music is like a hobby.
Yes, it's more of not really a hobby, but I want to turn that hobby into a lifestyle, because I feel like music is a lifestyle. Yeah.
And when we say nurse and nurse, no, it needs everything in you.
Exactly.
How are you going to do the two? Because you say, I will say, you want to do music as in music, and then also a nurse as in nurse. You know, what are you saying?
So, obviously, it takes a lot of time and consistency, right? So, I've been working, and I've been doing music at the same time. I'm using the nursing, my work, basically, to invest into music. So any small time I get, basically, I invested into music. So I've been working and doing music at the same time. Most of the times, I do night shifts, and during the day, I'm doing music. Same with school when I was studying economics and law. I would basically study throughout the day, and the small leisure time I get, I invest it into music. So once I get hold onto the whole music thing, I get introduced into the music industry, and I have a firm foot in the music industry, I would definitely cross over into music permanently, because this is what I live for.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Into who trying not trying China the Barbara Fana so trying Brofana to Brofana.
It depends. It depends on the mood and what I'm writing. Aya Chimu, aya English. It really depends.
But she don't say that nyadi.
Oh, me idea, but me idea, sir. Me the frafra.
Ya wo hen kasa.
Switzerland.
Nye, na me jai twi nkara to ho. Na mo wa say adina lady. Who can try that fabric free? It's matter ase kaka. Matter ase. In the music industry, when I inspire, who inspires you?
Wow, this question. Whew, a lot of people that inspire
a lot of people,
me.
but say you're one particular person.
Yes. So there's this one person, Aliyah. I don't know if you know Aliyah. Yes. She really, really inspires me. She's young, or she's late now, but she's young, vibrant. And one thing I love about her is that her songs, her music, the vocals, you just see the soft voices, and that really, 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 really inspires me. Also, there are a lot of Ghanaian artists that really inspires me as well. One of them, Jackie, for example, being in school. I get that a lot.
Yes.
Obia can I get that a lot.
Because we are those persons saying Jackie.
I get that a lot. I don't know. I kind of relate to Jackie a bit when it comes to school and doing music. Being in school and doing music is
because
really,
honestly, she did the same thing.
Yes, it's not easy at all. It's quite hard.
Have you met her yet?
No. Well, I've seen her a couple of times, but not like met her, been in a conversation with her. Yeah.
But when you know planning collaboration around her now.
Yeah, that would be nice. Definitely. I'm really looking forward to have a song with Jackie.
Nice.
Yes.
Jungle Over.
Yes.
Jungle Over. A nice title for movie. I said Home Alone, Jungle Over.
Yeah, kind of.
Nice. Annoying.
Because
a new song on the title, Jungle Over.
Honestly speaking, I don't know. I was in the studio with a certain producer called Zodiac, and he was basically building the beat, and I was beside him, and we were just vibing, and I just started writing, and then Jungle Over just came, and I was like, okay, why don't I just write something? And it just popped off right on spot. We wrote the song right on spot and recorded the song right on spot as well.
Sir?
Yes. So that's why
I'm speechless. Just like that.
Just like that.
Jungle Over. Jungle Over.
Jungle Over.
Jungle Over. Mm-hmm. Can you give us some few lines?
Oh, day, you see me see fine girl, why you tell them say I, my lady, Miss Minko me baby, you take my heart play Jungle Over. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, tomorrow make I be your lover.
Hey, Jungle Over. Hey, what's that rhyming when you say it?
If I try.
Hey. Oh, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Because your song is nice and our voice is so soothing. Obi a catch your own.
Yeah.
Oma catch your voice is calm.
Thank you.
How do you see the music industry?
It's a tough playing ground, I guess. it's a very tough space to be in. It takes a lot, especially if you're a woman. You really need to be strong because the music industry is dominated by men. And I feel like the men, they're really, really hard, they're tough, they're doing good, and I feel like the women are a bit struggling and, but I would say the music industry is full of surprises, especially here in Ghana or in Africa. It's full of surprises. But so far, it's been good. It takes a lot. It takes a lot of energy, time, money, and the right people. Yes, money.
Money is the key word.
Yes.
Into seeing female artists struggle in the industry, does it scare you?
It doesn't. No, it doesn't scare me.
Hey, Tigress. It doesn't scare you.
It doesn't scare
you. You are
me.
ready?
Yes, I'm ready to embrace it all. No, it doesn't scare me because everyone is different. Everyone has their own strength and their own weakness, and I'm very strong, and I know I will make it in this music industry. So this doesn't scare me. It actually motivates me because I want to stand somewhere and be like, okay, she's actually made it. You know, like, okay, I've made it. I want someone to stand somewhere and be like, okay, Miss Lyds has actually made it. She survived it. So it doesn't scare me. It's quite motivating, as a matter of fact.
It motivates you to do better.
Yes.
To do more.
To do more.
You can say you'll be a great musician now. And then a capable map somebody to be a great musician.
A great musician. I would say the craft. Someone's craft, someone taking their time to produce something unique, and also how the person conducts themselves. Stage appearance makes you, if a stage appearance is good, it's also part of being a great musician. Knowing how to communicate and relate to your fans, to your people, your loved ones, people that listen to your music, also comes in a puzzle of being a great musician. And also, I feel like that great musician is quite relative because someone might see me as a great musician in a couple of years, for example, and someone might actually not see me as a great musician in a couple of years. So I'd say it's quite relative. Yeah.
Normally, you'll be the young babontia if the person wants to promote your man. Almost set controversies. Obi to make effort say, Miss Lyds, me the new next week, you have to mom to promote my song. Do you agree to that? Do you think it's the best way to promote a song?
No.
I didn't hear.
Because I feel like you are causing a scene around your song. It's not anymore about your song. You are using controversies to promote your song. Personally, in my eyes, I feel like you are putting up a facade. It could cause you a lot of problems later. It might do well for your song now, but someone might actually roll up the same controversy against you later onto your new song, and it might cause problems. I would always say that if you want to promote your song, do it naturally. Do it in a nice way without hurting anybody or causing any scene, I'd say.
It's a nice way to be a thing.
I don't know, I feel like causing controversies is quite problematic. To me personally, it's a problematic scene. So, promote your song without causing a problematic scene, going head on head with someone, because to be honest, it might be fun now, but later it might actually give you a backlash.
I even think, say, song na nice and quiet. You wouldn't need any word now using to promote your song.
Yeah.
Only if you believe your song is nice.
It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but then also your song could be nice, but it wouldn't really promote itself. Yes, you have to put in the work, go to places, pay people.
Say places and no be so in the controversies,
Not necessarily. Me who say controversy. It could even be stories. For example, creating a scene, creating a story, and then making it up to it, and then it actually backlashing onto you in the future. And no, that's how I see it. But honestly, if you have a song, go to places. Is it radio? Is it TV? Use TikTok. Use all those social media platforms. Put your money into ads. Pay people, DJs. Like, let people actually know that, okay, you love this song. The song is nice, and you want other people to hear it, because at the end of the day, it's not only Ghanaians that you want them to hear it. You want Nigeria, South Africa, Switzerland, UK, US. You want everyone to listen to your song. So you have to go around and do the work, basically.
Some people don't know that.
Yeah.
Most of people don't know that. Do you be okay? The song is Jungle Over, which is a nice song. Just where I read am I? GH Bobo Janglova for more money to also listen to it and jam to it. What I say? GH boy.
Oh, day. You see me fine girl, wait till I'm say I my lady. Miss me baby, and your love they not titty, and the thing she do me. I for cute person, me. Boy, you be all I see. Take my heart, play jungle over. She tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make her be your lover. You take my heart, play jungle over. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make her be your lover. Not to say, it be the plenty things you do to me. I know they play. It be you I want, no be anybody. Oh, they woo. You know they take me just for a fool. Make I tell you, man, no be fool. It no be you, I got to choose. You take my heart, baby. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make I be your lover. You take my heart, play jungle lover. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make I be your lover. Let's go. You see me if I can't wait.
Yo, this is GH boy.
Oh, day. You see me fine girl, when you tell them say I my lady. Miss me baby, and your love they not titty, and the thing she do me. I for cute person, boy you be all I see. Take my heart, play jungle lover. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make I be your lover. You take my heart, play jungle lover. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make I be your lover. Not to say, it be the plenty things you do to me. I know they play. It be you I want, no be anybody. Oh, they who, you know they take me just for a fool. Make I tell you, man, no be fool. It no be you, I got to choose. You take my heart, play jungle over. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make I be your lover. You take my heart, play jungle over. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make I be your lover. Oh, day. You see me if I go, tell her say I my lady. Miss me baby, and your love they not titty, and the thing she do me. I for cute person, but you be all I see. You take my heart, play. You tell me say all this be over. No, baby, more make I be your lover. You take my heart, play jungle lover. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make I be your lover.
Miss Lyds.
Yeah.
Let's just say you no. Or say it's over. And also uncle. Uncle him.
Minko. Mr. Minko.
I did ya.
Because it's not by force.
I saw you giant.
Aye.
And I saw
you say it's not by force.
Me know ya journey. Because only me be dating no. Oje me permission see and the time say yes.
Yes.
Instead then you jana me see in your house still e be jai.
You get it?
You are not going.
I'm not going.
You can't go.
Let me see. Oh no, baby, more make I be your lover. Yeah.
What's number samba? Oh, this is nice. If you are told that now.
Oh, that way there.
I can be out because any do be a kind of correct. Not there, I'm to say. I say, more how. Me no be by answer me sincerely. Say you wait dear. Oh, I send it to me na me can yet. You don't admit to it. I didn't I won't admit it.
Where the coca?
I didn't say.
Obi ko dina abon inside. Where the coca?
Me dey come back o.
Ubeka. Obi aja opa.
Ai, say nyehwe, but jam miss me ja obi ntino. Yeah even.
Yeah even.
Yes. Oh, broadcast we someone be.
That's how there was a one call.
Okay. Then the my uncle. You think you sacrifice a lot?
Yes, because it is not possible. I've been with you.
Maybe how many months?
Months, yes.
Yes.
Where the year song, where months there. Months there come here, but this one is a year song.
How many years?
You're going to be 2 years.
2 years. 2 years. Maybe yes. Maybe. You can let go.
Baby, yes.
You can let go.
Let go.
Me one. 2
years. 2 years. And you're possible.
Diploma. And I'm
diploma.
David. Emu na stressful. Oh, Charlie.
Valentine, birthday, Christmas,
anniversary. No.
Not possible.
David. New Year. No. Good night messages. Good morning messages.
Long night talk.
Nobody is going.
We all stay.
If you are angry, go and sleep.
Yes.
You continue the morning. I know.
See, simple.
So this is Jungle Over by Miss Lyds. Miss Lyds, ebenya nyumu we fan.
Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. Instagram, everywhere. Just
Audio Mac.
Yes, Audio Mac, baby.
Audio Mac.
Yes.
Ain't you know? Put out your social media handles. Then you go follow and you download the because Christmas you dear.
Bangers.
Anyone what I say? Nobody is going anywhere.
So it's basically Miss Lyds, MISSLYDS on all social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere.
Miss Lyds, MISSLYDS.
Yes.
Miss Lyds, your final words for listeners.
It's been amazing. Thank you so much for everyone listening, streaming the song. It is doing super well. We recently hit 10K on Boomplay. Thank you very much. Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Easy cry.
Go down, then I'll check it out.
I know, right? Thank you so much for tuning in, for listening to the song. Make sure you stream Jungle Over. We have a couple of new bangers.
Do you have any dance challenge?
Yes, of course.
And I
Oh.
Hey, you need to do it for us to see you.
And I win him, sir.
Media, want to many sir, senior jai.
Is that?
Yeah, but sir.
And you will
We are going to Japan free while I'm guess no.
And you will so.
Share. The one find all the challenges from Mr. Median.
What are you doing?
Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes, let's go.
Judge boy. Pacho. Miss Lyds is going to do the challenge for us. Tune in on Facebook. We are live on Facebook. Tune in to Onua 95.1 FM.
Fire. Let's go.
GH boy.
Day. You see fine girl, wait till I'm say I my lady. Miss me baby, and your love they not titty, and the thing she do me. I fuck you person me. Boy you be all I see. Take my heart, play Jungle Over. She tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make her be your lover. You take my heart, play Jungle Over. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make her be your lover. Not to say, it be the plenty things you do to me.
Miss Lyds.
Yes.
You were a shy dancer.
Me.
Yes.
I want shy no dear. WOHO. Shy dancer. I'm a shy dancer, Papa.
Yes. Because how you make me come in bed 2 minutes like papa.
Wait a
minute.
This one is just one of many dances.
Wait no.
Oh. But I can't they won't me you because me cry me and it's me titi by heart.
That's only a dancer.
Me dancer, woman. Me dancer.
On to seven.
Hey, you a professional dancer?
Oh, me try some more dance class and I'm a chunk of faster. Before people actually come and pay me to teach them how to dance.
Sir.
Me dear, forget it.
And you boogie power.
Then yeah, is it? Miss Lyds, thank you for
Yeah.
coming. The twins are for what Benjamin shower pound.
Thank you so much for having me.
Your friend one put your friend one up by. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me. It was very nice. Thank you so much.
A nice conversation.
Thank you.
Actually, Yamin shower so bye.
Nyamin Shawons.
All right, bye-bye.
Oh, day. You see fine girl, wait till I'm say I, my lady. Miss me baby. And your love day, not titty. And the things she do me. I for cute person in me. Boy, you be all I see. My heart will jungle over. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make her be your lover. You take my heart will jungle over. You tell me say all this be over. Oh no, baby, more make her be your lover. Not to say it be the plenty things.